Yeah, y'all see it. This is a 1980 79 Chevy Malibu. I'm taking it out to the shop to get it right. Cause I got you, Bernie. It's on. It's on. Taking it out to the shop, man, so we can put it together, man. Y'all see it? This is the way it look right now. Saying my place is expired. I ain't even tripping on that. Need to get this out of the way. I need to put a top on it. No windshield, none of that, but I need to get this right. Cause I'm ready to drive my bitch. Ready to drive my ass. Driver. You know what I'm saying? So y'all see it. It's coming to y'all soon. So y'all know. So get this shit right. Let's get this right, man. Y'all see it. I'm missing a lot of shit. As y'all can see, my windshield ain't that good. Got a lot of stuff I need to repair, but my interior good though. I'm gonna get this bitch right. You hear me? I ain't decided the color yet, but as y'all can see, I've been working on it. That's straight steel. How we looking, Bernie? We looking good? Yeah. A little fat rat right there.